We're at a Vietnamese place on Broadway in Elmhurst. Place looks like it's closed down. But we weren't here for the Vietnamese cuisine. We were here for this long abandoned NYTEL phone on the wall of the restaurant. Yeah, there's no way this thing has dial tone. Change not provided. To the best of my knowledge, there's never been a payphone that provided change. So if a call is 25 cents and you put in 3 dimes, you wouldn't get a nickel back. But the way it was supposed to work was, for that nickel of overage, you would get like an extra minute of call time. And that's the way it was supposed to work. I don't know. I don't remember the reality of that anymore. So they don't make change, but they do return your coin, of course, if your call doesn't go through or whatever. Filthy rich barber shop. Guillotine cuts. What is that? Is that a barber shop too? That doesn't sound very inviting. if that's a barber shop, I think I'll go elsewhere. I haven't had a haircut since January, maybe even December, and it really doesn't suit me, but I'm still nervous about getting into an enclosed space with people who are going to be right in my face, and I got nobody to look beautiful for. I do have that woman in my life, but she doesn't care what I look like. So this has probably been out of service for 15 years. And it's part of this, oh, I see. It looks like this Vietnamese place moved across the plaza. That looks to be the same signage. It is a beautiful day, isn't it?